Imagine having a mini garden in your home that not only adds a touch of green but also offers many health benefits. Today, we'll introduce you to 10 uncommon herbs that you can grow indoors. These herbs aren't just for show, they come packed with flavors that can spice up your meals and offer health benefits that range from calming your nerves to aiding your digestion. Get ready to transform your home into a green haven with these unique and beneficial herbs. First, meet Stevia, a natural sweetener that's great for those looking to cut down on sugar. Stevia, scientifically known as Stevia rebaudiana, is a calorie-free alternative to sugar. It's a boon for individuals aiming to manage conditions like diabetes or simply wishing to reduce their sugar intake. The best part? You can easily grow this sweet herb indoors, right in your kitchen or living room. Next on our list is lemon balm, or Melissa officinalis. This herb is renowned for its calming properties and is often used to alleviate stress and promote relaxation. Imagine brewing a cup of tea with leaves from your very own lemon balm plant. A drink that not only tastes good but also helps you unwind after a long day. Moving on, let's talk about lovage, a herb that adds a unique flavor to your dishes. Just like celery, lovage brings an aromatic and savory touch to your culinary creations. Imagine the delight of a warm soup, a hearty stew, or a crisp salad, all enhanced with the distinct taste of lovage. This herb is as versatile as it is flavorful, making it a must-have in your indoor herb garden. Now, if you're looking to add a bit of a twist to your dishes, let's introduce you to Vietnamese coriander. This herb is well known in Southeast Asian cuisine for its spicy kick. It's the secret ingredient that makes soups sing, salads exciting, and curries captivating. Vietnamese coriander is a culinary game-changer, a flavor powerhouse that takes your dishes from ordinary to extraordinary. Next in line is Epizodi, a remarkable herb that aids digestion. Epizodi, scientifically known as Dysphaenia ambrosioides, has long been recognized for its carminative properties. This means it can help alleviate digestive issues such as gas and bloating. Imagine enjoying a hearty meal without the worry of discomfort later on. Now, this is not just a medicinal herb, it's a culinary one too. Epizodi is commonly used in Mexican cuisine, lending a unique flavor profile to dishes and making them not only delicious but also beneficial for your digestive health. Moving on, let's meet Shiso, or Perilla frutescens. A staple in Asian cuisine, Shiso is known for its distinctive taste that adds an exciting twist to meals. But it's not just about the flavor. Shiso is believed to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which are excellent for promoting overall wellness. Next we have the Extraordinary Society garlic. It's a delightful alternative for those who find regular garlic too overpowering. Its mild flavor is a culinary delight, and it's even said to repel insects, making it a multi-purpose wonder. Next we have Savory, a versatile culinary herb with a peppery zing. It's a fantastic addition to a variety of dishes. Think meats, stews, and bean dishes. Its flavor profile can take your cooking to a whole new level. Then there's African blue basil, a herb that's a feast for your palate and your eyes. Its unique flavor is a treat in any dish, while its vibrant purple flowers make it a beautiful addition to your indoor garden. It's a dual-purpose herb that brings both culinary and decorative delight. Finally, we have lemon verbena, an aromatic powerhouse. Its intense lemon fragrance is a sensory treat, and it's the perfect herb for making refreshing herbal teas and infusions. It's like having a slice of summer right in your own home. So why wait? Start growing these herbs indoors and reap their amazing benefits. I invite you to subscribe for more exciting herbal adventures. Join our community and let's grow and savor together.